Okay, this is a bit more in-depth run round the Enguage language engine version 1.5 interpreter, which is inside this iNeed app. The iNeed app demonstrates the Enguage language engine as like a shopping list or a to-do list, but it can be incorporated with any repertoires. So it takes a little while to load the initial repertoires, and then we'll go straight in.
Welcome. To speak, press the mic button. You can say help to get help.
So that's the initial help. Let's go through the help menu to start with. Help.
You can say list repertoires. What can I say? And describe X, where X is a repertoire.
Okay, so just let's list repertoires.
Loaded repertoires include arithmetic, colloquia, engine, need, plural, and settings.
So that's the sort of things that you can say to the language engine from startup. Those are sort of standard repertoires that are included. So we can go through the arithmetic example. What is 1 plus 2?
1 plus 2 is 3.
What is 370 times 420?
370 times 420 is 155,400.
And we can say a few more in-depth things, but nothing too complicated. So an example would be, what is 36 plus 4 all divided by 2?
36 plus 400 divided by 2 is 236.
No, what is 36 plus 4 all divided by 2?
36 plus 4 all divided by 2 is 20.
Okay, so that's the sort of arithmetic things you can do. It repeats what you have told it just to confirm what it's heard. Just as an example, we can go into preview mode, and it isn't a conversation. It's more. Well, I'll show you. Preview.
Okay.
So here we now have a screen as to what is actually said. So we can say, what is 36 plus 4 divided by 2? So there we go. It's showing you what it thinks you said, and then you can play it.
36 is 36.
So just a simple example. So visual mode off.
I do not understand. Visual mode off.
Yeah, there we go. Well, we can go into the settings.
Say, what do I need to find out what is on the list? I do not need anything.
Let's turn the preview mode off anyway. There we go. So we can then describe a repertoire. So describe need.
Sorry, there appears to be no aural help for X.
Describe need.
You can say, what do I need to find out what is on the list? I do not need anything to clear the list. How many objects do I need to find out if something specific is on the list? And I need objects to add items to the list.
So let's go into the needs functionality. from what it's just told me. I need a coffee.